Hello and welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you how to link the Spark remote controller. There are two ways to link the remote controller. Linking the remote controller with DJI GO 4. Power on the remote controller in aircraft. Connect your mobile device to the remote controller's Wi-Fi. Press and hold the power button on the intelligent flight battery for about 3 seconds. Release the button after you hear a beep. The front LEDs will blink red. Launch DJI GO 4. Tap RC connected and remote controller. Then tap remote controller linking. When the remote controller makes a beeping sound, it starts linking. Ensure that the remote controller is within 20 centimeters of the aircraft during linking. When the front LED turns solid red and the status LED on the remote controller is solid green, the linking is successful. Linking the remote controller without a mobile device. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Press and hold the power button on the intelligent flight battery for about 3 seconds. Release the button after you hear a beep. The front LEDs will blink red. Press and hold the flight pause button, function button, and customizable buttons simultaneously. Release the buttons when the remote controller makes a beeping sound. Then the remote controller starts the linking process. Ensure that the remote controller is within 20 centimeters of the aircraft during linking. When the front LEDs turn solid red and the status LED on the remote controller is solid green, the linking is successful. If the linking fails several times, contact DJI support. Thank you for watching.